It's so pretty. Guys, I can't believe I have one of these. I actually can't believe it. I'm just gonna stare at it. And there's like a mirror, so like I can look at myself through it. I can't believe I have one of these. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Okay, anyways. Hi, and welcome to today's video. I hope that you are all doing amazing. Today we have another Sunday vlog, but I promise I'm gonna like switch it up soon. Okay, there's gonna be different videos coming, I swear. But yeah, another vlog today. I got my YouTube, is this a play button? Is that what it's called? Can you believe it? Oh my freaking gosh. I just can't. I was like always, okay, I know like people watch TikToks now, but like I was always watching YouTube like when I was growing up and like everything and like in my teens and like just everything. And I used to, I don't know, I used to watch like a lot of like vlogs and like cute like lifestyle videos, like lifestyle vlogs and all of that stuff. And I remember like always feeling like it would be so cool if I could ever do that. Like maybe one day I'll have an apartment where I can do that and like, I don't know, I don't know. It's just so crazy that like I have one of these now because I always used to think that the people that I used to watch were so like cool and that was like such a cool accomplishment, you know? I don't know. It just, I don't know. I don't know. It's just so cool. Like I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it. And like we got to 100K a while ago, but I finally got the play button and it just feels like so much more real. Like I can't believe it. I don't know where to put it. I have to hang it because like I just have to. Anyways, today what am I doing? Today's Sunday, of course. I don't really have any other day to vlog. It's either Sunday or Saturday, and usually I just do it on Sunday, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna like meal prep a little bit. I'm gonna make a salad, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I don't know. I'm so sorry. I'm just winging it, to be honest. You know what I want to do though? I want to make another like craft video. I don't know if people like that, those types of videos, but like I like making them. So I want to make another one of those. And I have an idea for like a really fun craft that I can make. So like I need to make one. I'm excited. Anyways, but today is just a vlog. I'm sorry. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Hopefully you do. And it's not like so boring. Sometimes I feel like it's boring because I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over again, but I don't know. I like watching people do the same thing over and over again. So like, I don't know. If you like these videos, then shout out to you. If you don't, like that's okay. I get it. I think we should get started on the day. So let's go. Okay, also, I just want to say that my hoodies and I have one t-shirt. Tomorrow is the last day that you can buy some, and then I'm like removing them because I don't know, I only wanted it to be like a month-long thing. So if you haven't gotten one yet and you want one, then today and tomorrow, the 29th of January, is the last day where you can buy some. So yeah, and thank you so much to everyone who has gotten one, or anyone who has just like supported me throughout everything, like everything. I'm so grateful for all of you. So anyways, okay, I'm done. I'm sorry. Okay, let's get to it now.
Thank you so much for calling. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a cold-blooded, premeditated murder.